I mixed some of my slime in her slime, so her slime could get better.
And so it won't be quite as gooey. Oh, it got a bubble. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I want to put this on YouTube, put down My Friend Can Never Get Bored with Slime. And then put it on YouTube so billions can watch it. Even though I only have 1 subscriber. What? I only have 1 subscriber, I think. I haven't checked yet.
Let them watch.
Yeah, no, I'm recording it so later on they can watch it. I think it would be cool if we could use so much slime until the color changes. Like completely. The color change completely. We could make like a really pretty color with that color slime that you got. We could like make a really pretty color. No, she's just fixing it. She's fixing it up for me. She just needs to. Yes. She told me to.
Don't show my face,
I didn't even point it at you. I just turned it like I was going to. I did it. And I'll show you at the end of the video. I only pointed it upwards once. Because if I was scared. Ooh, we got another bubble. Okay, don't worry, Kayla. I'm still letting them watch.
Okay.
Woo! Oh, there's a big bubble again.
I just popped it.
Dang, yeah. So you're trying to make it have a prettier color?
No.
And also try to make it better.
That's
To where it's not quite as sticky. Yeah, because whenever I pulled it out this morning, it was super sticky. I mean, you couldn't even like pick it up without sticking to the bag. Now it's fixed. Now it's fixed.
Yeah.
It's fixed, and it's not quite as. It's also not quite as sticky. Do I notice? See? It's not quite as sticky. Okay, now you can keep it running if you want to. My hammer's getting tired of it. I get tired of holding it. Don't smell over here. Okay. Kayla. Yeah, see, Kayla's trying to fix that for me. Now it's vanilla. Is it almost done? If you added a little bit more down, you have a little more of a yellow.
Stop! It looks red. Why is it yellow now?
It's because she put some of her slime in it and she was mixing up a lot of her. There's also the little beads in it too. Little beads went in there too. It looks prettier. I just wish I had a container for it. Like a different container other than a stupid bag. Look at my stupid bag. Yeah, Caleb, but guess what my mom's bringing me for lunch? She's bringing me some,
Oh, did you
she's bringing me Whataburger. She's bringing me Whataburger. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It just has to follow your 85 on my test. Same, you copycat. I also have an 85. Which one's I got number 2, number 3.
I got number 2 and number 3 right. I missed number 6.
I also missed number 6.
I missed number 6.
I missed number 6, There's 2, 3,
I missed 3.
6, 11.
Oh, wait, no, I missed 6.
Look at this, I'm poking it.
No, I missed 6.
Look at how not sticky it is. This is so beady now because of the beads in her. Feel it. You can touch it a little bit. Don't touch it too much because then she'll notice that you touched it. That's why it's not.
I gotta get back to my game.
You can add a little more if you want to, because then it will look like way yellow or way greener, and it'll have more beads in it or not. But that look cool. Yeah, Michael said it looked way cooler now. Because with all the beads in it, it'll look really cool because it will have that beady texture. You know what I mean? Oh, how much did you add that time? Michael, look at that.
That face.
Oh,
It's a sandwich. You like my Subway sandwich?
this is a slime.
Stop.
Show me the slime. She's
No.
not going to use all of it. She's just going to use some of it so that we can make more. It's also making my slime multiply, you know, because about how much you're adding in it, it's making more. Are you almost done with it? Is it still recording?
It's still going.
Yay! How long has it been recording?
Oh, Mom, if you see this, I'm sorry that I'm on YouTube. It's not because of this. It's because of this girl's slime is messed up.
But your mom want you to be on YouTube?
She doesn't want me on YouTube.
Tell her that you wanted me to record it. Tell her that you wanted to record it. It's almost done. Look how much I have now.
What?
Right, stop. Is it done now? Or do you want to add a little more of yours? Make it a little more beady. I want to make it a little more beady. I mean, I don't have to find the thing. I just want some better.
It's done. It's done.
It feels weirder now. It doesn't stick. Eee. It's a little stickier now. Sticky, but still feels really cool. Commercial break. I'm like Michael Post, touch it. I'm just poking it.
No, like, put it right there.
There you go. So people can see it a little better.
There.
You
There you go.
can make
Play
a
with
Subway sandwich out of that.
They go play
Look
with
at
it.
how green it is.
Play with it. You can play with it.
Yeah.
They're playing with slime. This
This
is
looks
my
so
class.
freaking weird.
This is General Science class.
Up. You got closer.
Hey, I got closer.
Move these lids out the way.
They're not lids. They're pencil lids. But I don't have a pencil. That's a pen. I used a pen.
Let's erase it. A pen with.
It's not an erasable pen. It's just a regular pen. It's from its heart soul.
It's coloring. It's coloring.
It's coloring it.
Yes.
Why are you coloring it?
I don't
Why are you
know.
coloring it? Why are you?
Nothing on. I'm not coloring this time.
Okay, cool.
Look, this is cool.
Just
Look.
do that. Do you like a saw? Do you like the forward and backwards motion?
It makes it smell. Add that.
Smell this.
Add it. Let me see. Let me see.
This one.
Oh yeah, she wants to use it a little bit so she can add some flavor. So it can.
Not
It smells like
flavor.
vanilla. That smells like bananas. It smells like bananas.
Can I
split.
put some in my slime?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
He's letting us borrow a little bit of it. Okay. Smell it first
Mix
to make
it up.
sure though that the smell went through. And let me smell it. The smell didn't really go
Move
through
yours.
very well.
Move your slime.
Ah! It stuck to me. It still doesn't smell like vanilla. Whoa.
It smells like banana.
It smells like banana split.
Oh, really?
Yes, I've had banana split before. I'm not that stupid.
I never had a banana.
If you put a little more, Kayla, it might smell better. It'll smell a little bit better.
I love the smell.
So, do you still like the smell of that at least though?
Yeah, I like
Here,
the
you can
smell.
put it on YouTube and then tell me that I can use it if I want to. Like, I can re-upload it. And then so that way then I can change it and make it look a little bit like mine. Or I can do the video where she's making the slime and have a video of the finishing product and flavoring it. And flavoring this and something else. Kayla, if you want, you can add a little more to mine. Mine still doesn't have that smell. It still smells rotten.
I'm stuck with girls at my science torture.
Hey, do you like
Can I have
transparent
this?
phone screens?
Michael, can I have this?
What?
She wants your
This
No.
marker.
I spent money on it.
Okay.
I actually paid
Kayla,
my
can you add a
friend
little
like
more to mine? Mine still doesn't
Hold
smell
on.
like good.
Play with that.
Okay, color.
Okay.
Now just mix it all together.
basically I bought eyeshadow.
Yeah. Oh, snap.
The other money.
Oh snap, what? Did it just stop?
Friend was
Did it just stop recording?
No.
Or did a notification stop it?
No, like it fell.
Oh, the phone fell?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there you can still see where we drew all over it with the yellow marker. Only part you drew all over it. It has like yellow streaks.
mayonnaise.
It is. Not.
Yeah, so I might find and see if my mom can buy me, like I want to see if I can find some way
It
to get
still stink. How?
My video's gonna be in 4 years.
Oh, mine's starting to smell better.
Oh, it's supposed to smell better.
Yeah, it's starting to smell a little better. Still not doesn't it smell like one. Like it's still starting to smell like it still smells like fried oranges and stuff. It smells okay. It's just after drying it smells like hand sanitizer. Oh yeah. It smelled that bad.
Hand sanitizer smells good. some hand sanitizers don't. You don't know how much. You don't know how many hand sanitizers I freaking hate, Mike. Let me see. I hate loads. Smell it, smell it. Does it smell better? It's, see what I mean? See how bad that smells?
It smells bad on its own.
With the stuff is
popping.
Yeah. No. It's the
It's the bubbles that keeps on coming out. When she's moving the marker, sometimes bubbles will pop up. Yeah, but there's like tiny, teeny. This looks so cool though. It feels so sweet. I'm gonna put it in my slime. I'm gonna mix it into my slime. It's stuck to my hand.
Actually, have to get changed for a fourth period in a few. Yeah,
Oh, you brought. Oh.
hello.
Hello, I'm awesome.
Yeah, my mom bought this for me a long time ago. I'm wearing it.
I'm not changing because she said that today was pink out, so it didn't really matter whether or not we changed. Yeah, but my dad actually knew Bill Nye the Science Guy. He knew him.
He knew him.
Yes, he knew him. You can ask him. He did.
You want me to put you in the video, but Ed John Cena's face on it?
No, that's John Cena. Don't put Kayla in the video either. Her mom doesn't want her on YouTube. This one is just because she wants to fix it herself. How much banana are you putting on it?
I could believe that.
What the heck, Kayla?
I need the smell in it.
Yeah, he said mine still smells gross. Ew, it still smells gross. It smells like slime.
Guys, you need to be in your seat quiet now.
Just put it in and then I can like mix it around in my slime.
Yeah.
No, this is what I used to write with.
Oh.
I still need it.
Even though you don't really like the smell.
Yeah.
It won't work on my slime.
It's not really working very well on mine either, but I poked it a few times, so hopefully. Oh, it's starting to smell way better. Smell this. That's starting to smell really good. It's smelling.
Hey, you guys are not going to get out of here unless you sit in your seat and it's quiet.
Dude, I can like make this sell on eBay for like $5 billion.
If you're not quiet, you do not get out of here. Naomi, do you have your review?
It has like the stretchy bit of your hand that has like a sticky of mine. So it's like really, really cute. It's like hard. I want it. Because shooting at the candy one. I never write the next period. Oh yeah, because you used to Terry Homer. Maybe I put twice in a row.
Hey, any of you have the density correct? Because you can go ahead and put it in the tray.
Yeah, you can play for just a little bit longer. Just don't mess it up again. My name is
Put it in the tray.
Why do you guys? No, you don't put this in the tray. Just give me the density papers and I put them in
Sit down. Put it in the tray. Naomi. Okay. Naomi, come here. Do you have it or no? Okay, hold that. You may go. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Have a good weekend. Thank you.
Kayla, I need my slime.
Can I have a stick?